Once upon a time, in a land where power and corruption intertwined, little Priya Kumari found herself trapped within the walls of a minister's house. At the tender age of 4, her innocence was overshadowed by the darkness of her circumstances. It all began 3 years prior when Priya's parents, impoverished and desperate, sought refuge for their daughter in the care of the influential minister, believing she would be provided with a better life. However, their hopes were shattered when the minister, consumed by his own greed and malice, saw an opportunity to exploit the situation. Locked away from the outside world, Priya's days turned into a monotonous cycle of loneliness and fear. She longed for the warmth of her parents' embrace, but they were powerless against the minister's authority. As time passed, whispers of Priya's plight reached the ears of those who dared to defy the injustice rampant in the land. Activists rallied, demanding her release and calling for accountability from those in power. Their voices grew louder, echoing through the corridors of authority until they could not be ignored. Finally, after 3 long years of captivity, Priya was liberated from the minister's clutches. The world outside welcomed her with open arms, offering solace and support as she began her journey toward healing and recovery. Her story became a symbol of resilience and the enduring fight against oppression. It served as a reminder that even the smallest voices can spark change, and that justice, though delayed, will always find its way to those who seek it. And as Priya embraced her newfound freedom, she vowed to never let the darkness of her past dim the brightness of her future.